Welcome to today's math challenge. Take a look at this expression. 8 minus 4 times 8 minus 6. At first glance, it looks incredibly simple. The numbers are small, and most people feel confident that they can solve it in just a few seconds. But this exact type of problem tricks thousands of people because they ignore the order of operations. Let's see two common wrong answers before finding the correct one. Wrong method number 1. Many people start solving from left to right without thinking about the multiplication first. They say 8 minus 4 equals 4. Now the expression becomes 4 times 8 minus 6. 4 times 8 equals 32. 32 minus 6 equals 26. So they confidently answer 26. Unfortunately, that answer is wrong. The mistake is that multiplication should be performed before subtraction. Solving strictly from left to right breaks the order of operations. Now let's look at another common mistake. Wrong method number 2. Some people mentally split the expression into two separate subtraction problems. They calculate 8 minus 4 equals 4, and then 8 minus 6 equals 2. Now they think the expression has become 4 times 2. 4 times 2 equals 8. So they answer 8. This looks clever, but it is also completely wrong. Why? Because the original expression is not written as open parenthesis 8 minus 4 close parenthesis times open parenthesis 8 minus 6 close parenthesis. There are no parentheses. The expression cannot be rearranged like that. Now let's solve it correctly. To get the right answer, we need to follow a simple rule called PEMDAS. PEMDAS stands for parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, addition and subtraction. The key idea is that multiplication and division come before addition and subtraction. Let's apply that rule. The expression is 8 minus 4 times 8 minus 6. The multiplication comes first. 4 times 8 equals 32. Now the expression becomes 8 minus 32 minus 6. Next, we work from left to right. 8 minus 32 equals negative 24. Negative 24 minus 6 equals negative 30. And that's the final answer. The correct answer is negative 30. It's amazing how such a simple-looking problem can produce so many different answers. Some people get 26. Some get 8. Others come up with completely different results. The lesson here is simple. Math is not just about calculating. It's also about following the correct order of operations. Whenever you see an expression with multiple operations, don't rush. Take a second to check whether there is multiplication or division that must be done first. A few seconds of careful thinking can save you from a very common mistake. So, what answer did you get before watching this explanation? Did you get 26? Did you get 8? Or did you get the correct answer, negative 30? Leave your answer in the comments and challenge your friends with this problem. You might be surprised by how many people get it wrong. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next math challenge.